You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you pronounce these word from cooking, from cuisine? Well, it can be pronounced two different ways. Filet, that's more the French cooking term filet, or in English it's often pronounced as fillet, a strip of boneless meat. Okay, you can spell it with two L's or one L as well. One L is more for French cuisine generally, but the pronunciations are interchangeable. Filet or fillet, both pronunciations are correct and designate the same thing. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.